Welcome to another Honest Amazon review. Today we're taking a look at the direct replacement Lennox and Armstrong flame sensor. Our furnace quit working a couple days ago, and turns out this is the reason why. So you can see it comes packaged nicely in a clear poly bag, nice and clean. Obviously brand new product. I ordered two, so I've already put one in here. As you can see, direct replacement, drops right in. Pull it right out of there, pop that in. Obviously I've got a retaining screw to put in, I've got the clip to put on yet, but it does drop right down in there. And you can see the size difference between the one I pulled out and the one that we're putting in. This one's a little bit longer, the new one, so we know that's the right size. It's about 5 inches long. It fires right up. I've actually already tested it, so hope this helps. Thanks for watching.